Yeah. So we have here one more topic is going to be discussed, as it has been mentioned, saying that here one part of a screen is going to be there, and here one more part is going to be there, whichever the part is. Though I hope the camera is flipped, not an issue, but still. So the point for covering some of the topics which are already known, as it has been mentioned, one or two some part of a bot building is also going to be made, and it is also going to be covered. So here there are some based on the article which is known, very much known. We have some set of some issues or some things which have hardly been done yet. Done yet in the sense, there are so many. There are so many are there. These are major. The point goes, there are so many are there at another level, which you are going to discuss in the live in the sense, or maybe in none of the videos. Point is that those topics which are at some value, it may be at some scale, it might be at a major scale, that is also going to be discussed. So the point is that here we have one site, Wikipedia. So here some of the parts are there which are hardly been done yet. So you can just go through any of them. Say if there's a need to go through any of them, some of the major hardly done issues, or you call it whichever one is. So we have some the model of the one part. We have the neutrino mass based on sources, and there are a plenty of things, as it has been mentioned. This is at a major scale, and the point is also that why there is a need to mention this is one of the present things. Though it is possible to go through and check these things and opt for something higher value, but still some topics are going to be discussed. These topics, maybe these topics or some other topics are also going to be noted. It holds to other case as well. Other case in the sense, they are sending some rovers to some other place. They are sending some rovers looking for the soil sample, and so many other concepts are there which is going to be discussed in the upcoming topics. As point is that sometimes it can be the topic that are going to be noted is going to be maybe guitar, sometimes it can be an outside just travel, sometimes it can be the part of physics, sometimes it can be any other topics based on something relevant. These topics are going to be covered. Just an overview. You have one more paradox is there. Paradox, how many are there, how many parts are there, how many have been done. You just at least you can have a discussion. That would be much better. So that would be one of the point for conveying the message. So it holds to other case as well. We have Hawking's duality, and so many other concepts are there which it's worth checking of them, and it holds true other case for the conjecture also. So looking forward for the upload of more topics. The point is conveying a message, and also the point that there is a bot building. There's a one bot is going to be made based on sources. Right now it's just voiceover, or maybe it's just going to convey some messages, or maybe it's already made. Who knows? We'll discuss this those topics also in detail, hmm, in detail in perhaps in one of the upcoming videos, and looking forward for the upload of the more topics. And not just this, it holds true even for the physical devices as well. Physical devices in the sense, um, a pretty high-end device with which it's right now we have a metal detector or some sort of devices which are already being made. Is it possible to build some sort of devices which in the sense the devices are going to be discussed, and the devices perhaps are going to be, maybe they are going to be built here itself, perhaps, maybe, or maybe that depends. All these topics are going to be discussed in the upcoming days, and so much other fun is going to be there. Right now it's around maybe I hope it's around 4:35, 5, very close to 5 a.m. And yeah, there are plenty of topics which is going to be covered. So looking forward for the upload of more such topics and contents as well. So we have this, and there's one more concept is there. Here we have, in case if there is so many prizes are there, what is the point of a prize? It is also a sort of a, what you call it as an exam related. If you pass one test, you can get some marks. Along with that, there are types of exams. If you do a task at a national level, or perhaps at a very high level, then a certain prize has been kept, saying that any person who can get into these things or get it done, they will provide him a prize. The point is that this is a set of a thing in the sense, concept which has hardly been done yet, and any person who would prefer to do it, they would provide that person some value basis and something which you are going to discuss in the any of the upcoming topics. So there's so many other the parts are also there which we'll discuss in the upcoming topics in the upcoming days and stuff. And till that period, have fun. Yep. So yeah.